In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create hospital billing statement in Microsoft Excel. In the previous part of your billing statement, you have likely entered the amounts for different portions of the calculations. At this stage, you are moving into the final step of computing a total value based on those earlier entries. Now, take a moment to look at your worksheet and locate cell C7. This is where your result will appear. In most hospital billing statements, the total often combines the sum of several charges and then applies an adjustment factor. That adjustment factor is important because it can represent a discount, an allowance, or a portion that is not fully billable. Even though the numbers and layout may vary, the logic is usually consistent. Once you have found cell C7, click inside that cell so it becomes active. When the cell highlights and you see the cursor ready for typing, you are ready for the formula. This is the moment where accuracy matters, so make sure you are truly entering the formula into C7 and not into a nearby cell. Next, type the following formula exactly into cell C7, equals sum, C2, C6, multiplied by open parentheses 1 minus 0.80 close parentheses. In Excel notation, it looks like this, equal sign sum, C2, C6, asterisk, 1, 0.80. As you type, pay attention to the parentheses. Parentheses tell Excel which part to calculate first. The sum function adds the range of cells, and then the result is adjusted by the percentage factor. While you type the formula, keep your eyes on the sheet to confirm that the range is correct. The expression sum, C2, C6, specifically adds the values from C2 through C6. If your table uses the same layout as expected, this will pull in the correct subtotal components that you have already entered. If anything about your sheet layout is different, you would adjust the range accordingly. But based on these instructions, you will use C2 to C6. Udempet, verupede de mempersagen widete in appropriandet tomb. If your numbers in C2 through C6 are already filled in, you should see a numeric value appear without any errors. If you accidentally missed a parentheses or typed something incorrectly, Excel may show an error. In that case, you would simply re-click C7 and correct the formula, then press Enter again. At this point, it is helpful to quickly review the outcome. Compare the values shown in C7 to the numbers you entered above. The sum portion adds all values from C2 through C6. Then the multiplication by 1, 0.80 applies the adjustment. Since 0.80 represents 80%, 1 minus 0.80 leaves 20% of the summed amount. So the result in C7 should reflect that reduced adjusted total based on the factor you included. Once you confirm that the calculation looks correct, you have successfully created the final adjusted total in your hospital billing statement. This is an important step because it turns your entered charges into a meaningful billed amount that can be used for reporting, review, and further formatting. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.